Right guys, this is going to be the last editing video of this series. I finished this series in 2 days, which is very good. Right, so let's go and drag this out. And infantry assault. But no, we're not going in there yet. We're going to mechanized assault. And here we go. There's actually a few things we can actually take from this little thing. And that's the init. And we are going to need that. Oh, fuck's sake. F-task hint, description is going to the complete briefing. Why do I have two briefings? Oh, the HTML. Can actually add that too. Then of course these scripts and that script. Copy that. Copy a few times so it gets it, and then we go out to infantry assault. Copy that in. Bam, we're going to scripts. We take the ammo box out. We put it down here. We delete that, and that is there still. So ammo box here is finished. Don't think we need anything here. Yes, we do. We need to have a few things. What do we need? Okay, actually I need more stuff, but I will add that later. So let's see, I have a briefing HTML, and basically that's a debrief, so that's just used whenever things I think I took this also from reading the guides. I'm not really sure how it works because I don't know HTML, but here we go. So basically that's from mechanized assault, so just remove all that. What did I not take out? Oh, so there we go. And then this thing too. So yeah, I don't. Oh, come on, what the hell? Okay, good old-fashioned bullshit. Don't care about the HTML. I can do that later. So here we have a briefing. We can remove that already. The briefing up there, it can be used. 29th century. That's just standard info. We have 5 tasks, and the 5 tasks are already put here. So task number 3 and 2. This is wrong. Get marker pos objective 1. Basically that puts my destination to that area I put it to. Okay, I'm not gonna show you the actual, that's story, that's the big lines. I'm not gonna show you when I do this briefing, but basically that's the title of the task. So the first task is to destroy kaput. We need to sabotage Soviet radio, and then we need to search and destroy. So that's what you do. This is the little line here called marker name. This one. Bam. We can actually put down a little bit of story in here. So marker name finds for objective 1. East sector. So now that's yellow text. So when you click that yellow text, you'll be moved, or the map is going to focus on objective 1, that marker. So basically what I do now here is basically I write down the Soviets have a radio. They use it to forward important intelligence and artillery requests. They use it to forward important intelligence and artillery requests to their HQ. That sounds very stupid. This radio is located somewhere in the spacebar east sector. And then a little dot after that. Bam. So there we go. Now that's it for, I don't really need to put that down, do I? I mean, it's basically done. There's not much to it, is it? Task 5, get market pos base. So objective 4, yes. Objective 2. On objective 2, yeah, good. So that's all there is to it. We don't need to change much now. We're just going to jump over this thing here. Just gonna make it a bit better. Looks a bit weird. There we go. These are diaries. We don't need that anymore. Complete is a script. This is task complete. This select 0. Basically what we send into the script is null task 1, task 2, exec vm Complete.sqf. So that's how it's being used. That means a comment, so don't worry, this is not going to be in the script. Basically the first thing is selection 0, so task complete is that's underscore task complete defines that that param. Task this task 2, this selects 1, so that's task next. So task complete is going to be set as succeeded, then it's going to call for a task complete task hint. It will sleep 4 seconds, it will pause for 4 seconds, then player is going to set current task to next task, then the next task is going to do a task hint. So everything that you need to do when you switch tasks is actually done in that script. So ammo.sqf, this is just definition of all the gear. You can find this at a website I'll send you to soon. Underscore box add weapon cargo, and basically that's it. Oh, box. Description. What do we have? Oh, that's a little bug with all my edits. It's this one. Can't get it to work now. Sometimes that happens. So here's onload motion. That's going to be a message. So we need to change that to. Let's see. Change it to infantry assault. Get ready. Intro PAA. That is a picture. I don't know how it looks. Let's see. We'll change this to 10K. This is basically just for okay, that needs to be 8. Disable channel 3 to 4. That disables side chat channels. No, not side chat. I believe it is a vehicle chat and a little bit of other stuff. And then include the bond command. And I'm gonna upload this mission on the original forums, and I will post that in the mission or in the video where I play the mission, and that way you can download it and you can DPBO it with anything eliteness or whatever. You search for DPBO and you can break it up and well, look how it's done. Let's see, that's basically done. Respawn base, respawn delay 15, and respawn dialogue. But respawn dialogue means you can see your score, but my squad server, they don't have that, so we don't have the luxury of seeing what we do. Okay, this is here as scripts. While true, if the MHQ is alive, then the respawn west marker is going to be set to the MHQ. Else, if the MHQ is not alive, respawn west set market, get market was base, and then sleeps 1. So it basically repeats that every 0.1 seconds. So we're going to change that to actually 1.5 so it doesn't lag. Other than that, I mean, I can't really explain everything. It's going to take ages and ages, but you do know these things. I mean, this is a bond setting script, and that's that one. It allows you to pressing a key bind on your screen, and that basically lets you change your grass if you want it to be, you know, not there. You change your view distance in the game in multiplayer. So the other stuff starts the task hint and briefing SQF, and I have guides on that already. So I don't know, it's kind of hard to actually notice what I should walk through and what shouldn't when it comes to scripts, but all these scripts are, you know, rather simple. Of course you can use them yourself, it's not a problem there, but creating these doesn't take that much effort. You have to learn. But I don't know, this is basically what I have. These scripts here, I need to have another script, I believe. Um, do I? I'm thinking right now. I don't remember. I have Complete.sqf, I have ammo.sqf, so why not test it out in the game? So yeah, let's do that instead. Right, we're in the game, so all we need to do is save it and preview. Should be running every script. If it does miss one, then we need to go back outside again and fix that. But scripting, when you have done the scripting, there's not much to it, and I've done it, and it's you know, it's variables and params mostly, so you can actually change it to every mission you use. I've used that since the start of editing in Ironfront. So basically just port them over because I don't really need anything else when it comes to editing and scripting. I usually don't script that much when it comes to, you know, making missions for single player and multiplayer purposes, and that is because Ironfront doesn't allow that much to be used. When I scripted in Arma, I usually used unit play and unit capture, and that basically means you can record your own movements and you can mess about. Right now I have no idea why there's a black screen. Saving, not sure what's going on. Takes a lot of time to load. Come on, game, stop being so bored. Intro PA is not there. That is note. Yeah, this sounds. Oh, this looks fucking great. Doesn't it look great? And you can already see that last time the game was kind of moist, the weather, and you know, it was just nice. What happens now is basically that there's actually a little bit cold feeling to it. I've added that thing, and basically movie night has made this mission a little bit cold. So press J, and here you can see all the you can press M actually, and then we can see here that we have a little task. So first task is to go to the east sector. For some reason that can't find itself to it, so we have to change that ourselves later. But here you can see that all the things actually work. You know, you can double click on these two, eliminate officer, and then regroup back at base. That actually works. So notes here, info. The intro flag is still going to be the same, and it's actually a German flag. It's a Nazi flag. It does have swastikas, and I just want to make sure that people don't think I'm a, you know, idiot for posting it, but it's more like authentic. If you are, I apologize. But yeah. Here we have some information about the 29th, as we are capturing the 29th movements, and basically this mission is for the 29th. And here we have this stuff. This is just information that's going to be changed. Oh, we can actually use I can actually use this one, but yeah, that's all there is to it. The scripts are done right now. I mean, everything I need to do is now add an intro PA to the mission folder. Then we're gonna assault. I need to change the briefing, and everything's done. So basically, this is the mission being completed. You can stay tuned for another video, which is basically gonna be me playing the whole mission, and hopefully you'll enjoy that too. And when the next patch comes out, I am gonna show you so much shit. I'm gonna play around with the Gewehr 43 all day long. We're gonna have so much fun. I'm just gonna start shooting, you know, into the woods and just have fun. If the sounds suck, hell, I don't give a fuck. I mean, I have semi-automatic rifle. Do you know how awesome that is? It's basically fucking accurate rounds down range. 10 rounds in the clip, just pow, 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 pow. And we are going to have a lot of fun. That sounds very childish and weird, but I am very hyped for that. I'm waiting for that patch, and I can't wait. I can't stand it playing around with this Car 98 fucking case. It's just boring, and it does not work. It is way too little base of fire. We need 50 guys with it, with it to be accurate and good. Obviously, we've changed our little structure here. So basically, that means 5 guys in the squad of 8 is going to be riflemen. So assault leader, the squad leader, is going to be the guy with a Gewehr 43, first rifleman, the second rifleman, give out 43. The 2 last riflemen are going to have Con 98s because there's been a request that they actually stay put in the squad. Then the 3 other guys is the assistant squad leader who has a MP40, the grenadiers that both have MP40s, and in this case they have support stuff, which basically means they can blow shit up. So yeah, that's going to be awesome. I'm going to add the last stuff in my little briefings, and yeah, just stay tuned for the next mission. That's all. I hope you liked this series. I hope it helped you understand a little bit of this, editing. Obviously, it's not very good, and going through all the stuff. But this is not a newbie guide. This is basically for those who actually, know stuff about the editor. If you have questions, though, newbie-wise, you're free to give out, comment down below, and I'll look into it if I can help you. I do not have time to make my amazing scripts for you, but I can tell you a little bit how to do it, explain a little bit. But the thing is, people can't. I'm not one that does scripts for others. I basically mostly look into the stuff and try and teach you how to use it normally. But now I don't know. I might do a dedicated video for just finding out stuff to do. But the thing is, I don't have scenarios, and scripting the language, teaching you the language is going to take years or years, and I don't know, that just doesn't feel right. You can't learn the language. I don't even know the language. I just go into the website and check it out, and I forgot about that. But yeah, that's all we need to do. I think it's been quite some fun doing this little mission here, so I'm gonna save it, I'm gonna add it to the briefing, and then send it to the server. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like every video I have. No, but thanks for watching. Thanks for now.